Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing PKXD with the Pro Gaming 5 and Pro and my brother.
Yeah, and for some reason I missed my name. I thought it was 7.
Only 7?
What are we doing?
To change it to 5.
Wait,
well, I don't know.
We all have rideable pets. Only
guys, we're doing a parrot festival.
I have
Yeah,
yours.
why actually?
Yeah, parrot festivals.
Yeah.
Well, cats are better than parrots.
No.
No.
Come, follow me.
Yes.
Okay, follow the leader.
No, but
Actually, I should
Bro
be the
Gaming,
leader.
right? The cats are better than parrots.
I don't know.
Actually, I should be the leader.
Why?
No.
I'm the oldest.
I'm the proest.
Bro Gaming.
Well, I'm pro in Roblox.
Stop up, I can't even install it.
I know. What the hell was that?
Can I make this jump?
It's just a weird noise. Do you know them?
Ah! Can
What
you
the
talk
hell?
English good?
I'm talking English.
He doesn't know. You sound like a Gru from Minions.
Gru from
Write in the comments, guys, if Pro 1 sounds like Gru in the Minions.
Alright, where's my brother?
I don't know.
Where are you?
Here.
Yeah, we're in the parrot festivals.
Cats are better.
No.
Come on, parrots.
Pro 70.
Everybody follow my parrots.
Pro 71 white cats are better.
Okay, where should we go?
To be honest, I don't know actually.
Okay, the best parrot to choose. You have the best parrot.
You know I have like you.
We should go. To be honest, I don't know anything.
Let's go to the pizza shop to eat pizza. No. Yes. No, Gru.
Yeah, let's call him Gru. Let's call him Gru.
No. Come on.
Gru. Yes, Gru.
Bro.
What?
I'm gaming.
What?
Why do you have a cat called Nutella?
Because I didn't have any name, only Nutella.
Yeah, how about we eat his cat?
Yeah.
Come on, parrots! Come on, parrots! Kill him!
Cats are better.
Eat him!
My parrot is eating the cat.
You love parrots more than cats?
Give me the... No, my parrot's hungry.
Oh, so you love parrots more than cats. You're a parrot crew.
Bro.
No.
That's not even bullying. Okay, everybody follow me.
So what I'm hearing, you love parrots more than cats. So I'm the only one who loves cats.
Okay,
Right?
Okay, so,
7.
okay.
Bro,
so,
am I the only
wait.
one who loves cats?
So, well, I guess in
Maybe.
today's in this video we're gonna do a parrot party, like.
A parrot party?
Yeah, a parrot
Yeah,
party.
because you love parrots.
Wow.
Perfect house, dude.
Yeah. Let everybody go to Pro Gaming 5's house.
I don't have any
So
parrots.
I'm gonna teleport. Goodbye. See my snap. See my snap. Come on. Look
Okay.
at me.
Okay, I'm gonna see your snap.
I'm going to his house.
Done it. Okay, I teleported here. Now I'm
Okay.
gonna act like I'm sitting here. Wait a minute.
Bro, I can't see your snaps.
What? It's literally.
I'm not finding your snap. Bro, anything but your snaps. Oh, here it is.
Oh, I'm
Hey yo! Pro Gaming 5 is naked.
Yeah. You mean Pro Gaming 7?
I mean, he missed.
I messed up for one number.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna do a 30 gem mess up now.
Yeah.
Oh, your house is quickly right behind my house.
Oh yeah.
Because you're the
Come on!
pros.
I can see the parrot party.
Okay. Wait a minute. Can I do that?
Bro, come see.
Bro Gaming 7, I thought you said you like cats more than parrots.
Where the hell is Pro?
To be honest, I don't know.
I'm here.
Where?
Where?
I'm gonna do a back What's my backflip, everybody?
Your backflip. But everybody cares about my Opagama style.
No, everybody cares about.
Who can do a backflip? I can do a backflip.
I'm naked.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
How you're being naked, guys?
It's easy, dude. It's just a
I'm trying
glitch.
to do it, but it's not working.
It's a glitch, dude.
Oh, I'm
Come on.
naked.
How?
Hey, guys.
Can I picture you?
No, don't picture me.
Please.
I'm naked. Do not picture me.
Please.
You pictured me at first.
I'm gonna picture myself. Nobody could catch me.
How did you do that?
To be honest, I don't. To be honest, I know actually. But it's a kind of tricky, that glitch. I'm telling you, it's super hard.
Hey,
I'll
brothers.
show you how.
How you gonna show him how? It's
Yeah.
literally only in your screen.
Yeah, but I'm gonna show him how to do it.
Yeah, how? Look. So, you go on here and you quickly do like that. But you need to do it super fast.
I'm naked.
It's hard.
It's
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it.
You do it?
Yeah.
You mean you did it?
Okay, I forgot.
You mean you did it? We're gonna make a naked party.
Yeah.
Naked party. Naked party.
I'm gonna go change
We're
my
all naked
clothes.
here, only you. Why?
Hey.
I challenge my.
Be naked.
My clothes. Nobody be naked.
No, everybody be naked.
No.
Everybody be naked. Naked team. Naked team.
What the heck are they doing?
I'm trying to be... Bro, why am I so tall?
Okay,
No.
I'm super tall.
Did you buy something to be super tall?
No. Alright, we're naked, guys.
Let's do the naked dance, coca dance. It's called.
Oh no! What the hell are you doing?
I'm doing the coca dance. Oh look, he's wearing pants.
I wanna be
Fancy,
naked.
snazzy.
I'm just like you goatee people.
I'm not gonna dance. Okay, guys, I'm gonna sing. Oh yeah. Sometimes I wanna think that I'm well. Sometimes that I play PKXD or Roblox. Sometimes I play Minecraft. Sometimes I make videos. YouTube. Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna stop being naked.
Yeah, me too.
Why?
It's nice to be naked.
Yeah, I'm naked.
I'm gonna go change my clothes.
I'm gonna poop in first thing. I want to poop in the pool.
What the heck, dude?
Yeah. Pro, let's poop in the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, you need to tell me.
Important.
Hey yo! Yeah. Pro, do that again. Bro, Pro's good at farting. Pro, do that again. Okay.
No, that's me.
Alright, guys. Okay, guys, this is today's video.
Woo!
Bye.